Hello! In this video I want to show you how to check carrier in Samsung Galaxy A71 by using email. First you have to open a browser and then go to email.info website. When you are here, just enter your email number to the empty bracket in the middle of the screen, go for a captcha protection, and click on check. There you go. Now you can see whole specification about your Samsung Galaxy A71. Then if you want to check carrier, you should choose check serial number warranty carrier. Click again at check and wait 10 seconds while your order is processing. There you go. As you can see, you can come up with plenty of very useful information, and here is carrier of your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.